Kalinga women gather and prepare for the budung or pispa. The Kalinga borrowed the beautiful word ragragsakan from the Ilocano, which means miniment. The two biggest occasions for ragragsakan in Kalinga village are for the homecoming of successful heat takers and the culmination of pispa between warring tribes in this dance. Kalinga maidens balance labba, baskets on their heads, wave colorful tribal blankets, and sing short salidumay. Songs as they snake the terrace dikes and escape through breaks in the path. The dance portrays the walk of the industrious Kalinga women carrying water pots on their heads and wearing the colorful hand-woven blankets of life around their necks. Their walks imitates the climb up the rice terraces and the mountain province of the Philippines. Ragragsakan was discovered by Ramon Ubusan in Lubuagan, Kalinga province, among the Kalinga people. Ragragsakan from the Ilocano means ragsak. It means happy. Ragragsakan thus means merry making.